Hey there, so today I wanted to run you through how to use Ora.pm. Ora is a project management tool. This will be where you basically see all the tasks relevant to you and the projects. So as a general rule of thumb, all new client work will go here, and once that particular project is complete, the rest of the other stuff will either go to general client work or will go into your personal project folder where it has your particular tasks in there. Now, there's three main buttons on the left. You guys don't really have to worry about this one. This is for adding projects and stuff. You can use the search task. Oh, back. You can search for particular things. It's quite simple, self-explanatory. All the projects are here. If you just click on this, it'll take you to, you'll probably see this view. I recommend you click here to use the list view. It's a lot easier to kind of see and understand and organize. Now, once you've done that, the most important kind of part or piece of it to you personally will be the agenda. If you click on agenda, you can then look at projects or tasks more specifically in your particular inbox. So you've got for today, for example, for you or for whoever, I recommend you just set it to your stuff only. So let's just say you're Bogdan, you'll just set it to just Bogdan. And then here you have what projects. I recommend you just have select all selected, so that way you know exactly what needs to be done when. Then these are just, tomorrow, overdue, etc. The stuff self-explanatory. What does this do? Yeah, nothing interesting. And then you've got next 7 days, if you want to look at all the tasks for the next 7 days, or you can look at weekly plan. I think weekly plan is the easiest to use to understand what kind of needs to be done when. This will be on the day that it's due for. I always highly suggest you do it before the due date, apart from reports. Reports are done on the day. Now, to get an idea, you just click on it. It tells you what to do, etc. There's all these different aspects like add a label, etc., etc. These are all things that I'll kind of be handling. You just have to worry about it being here. Then you go in here and you write comments or you do the task. And once it's done, there's a big tick here. Right? You don't need to worry about any of these. Oh, you can attach files as well if you need to, but that's it. And then there's reports. You guys, you don't need to track time, so you can forget about this bit. Task, progress, sprint review, none of this is really relevant to you guys at the moment. And then the most important kind of thing is you got obviously help, shortcuts, and whatnot, and support if you have any issues. But what I recommend you do, if I can get on it, there you go. Then you have account settings, appearance, etc. So here's a few things I recommend you do when you're setting out. First of all, go to appearance. Just pick some stuff that looks cool to you, because I feel like everybody works very well visually. So if you make it suit to you, then you can go from there. There's Aura, there's the bold version, blue, warm, dark. I have noir, which basically is like dark but without too much black. And that's really it. Then the profile, please set up your name and username, etc. And very, very important, add your image. So your Power Lemon personal logo. The reason this is important is so I can see what's what and what's when I add people, so I can just click on an image rather than have to look for the name. Then please connect your Power Lemon Google account. This will connect obviously any Google Drive stuff that you're doing, etc. Now once you've done that, then you've got notifications, all these sort of good things. I'm just going to turn sound on. Perfect. Appearance, we went through. Preferences. Now this is the most important thing. Connect it with your Google Calendar. This means that all tasks assigned to you with a due date will be displayed in your calendar. So this means you'll get a Google kind of sync with it, and it just makes it a lot easier to kind of control and handle and understand. And these are a few hotkeys and whatnot, but I highly recommend you connect it. Templates isn't relevant to you guys, and that is all. If you have any questions, please do let me know. But most of the stuff will just be an agenda and then weekly plan, and this tells you kind of what needs to be done when, kind of thing. Awesome. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.